Hello everybody and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to reactivate the text import wizard that was hidden by Microsoft. If someone doesn't know what the text import wizard is, here we have an example of what I'm talking about. If we go into the data tab, at the moment it is impossible to call the text import wizard because as I said, Microsoft has hidden it from our view. To reactivate it, we go into the file, then options. Inside the Excel options window we select data, and at the bottom of that window here we find all the old data import wizards. Among them I find very useful the web wizard, the text wizard, and the wizard from XML files. But for the purpose of that video I will reactivate them all. We do that just by checking the boxes and then we press OK. Now if we go into the data tab and then in the get data selection, we can find the legacy wizard, and inside it we find the from text legacy. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.